So I decided to go to Chili's today. Of course, they're doing the curbside pickup. So let's get to it. I pretty much got the 2 for $20, 2 for $25. It was. It's like the best deal. You know what I mean? So I have mango habanero crispers with 2 things of ranch, some steamed broccoli, and loaded mashed potatoes. And I got some Cajun chicken pasta with garlic bread, some fresh guacamole. Yeah, it's too bright. Let's see. And then it came with salsa. So I got guacamole and salsa. And they give you a bag of chips. I got it all here, y'all. I've never had that guacamole. Well, these chips are thin. That's good. The sauce is good. Oh, y'all, and I got the cookie skillet, and it came with ice cream, and the ice cream's in the freezer. So, y'all, I'm sorry. I haven't been around for a while, but I hope everybody has been safe. There's a lot going on, y'all, like a lot. So I be MIA because when I was doing videos like every single day, it takes a lot. For those who do YouTube, like, y'all know. Especially if you're trying to do a video every day. You're doing multiple videos a day, trying to edit to make sure something is gonna be up every day. And I was just losing a lot of sleep. And I would get sleepy, like be really, really sleepy at work, like to the point where I like start dozing off. Like, and I was like, something's gotta give. So I've been trying to catch up on my sleep. So far so good. I mean, you know, some nights are better than others. But y'all know I can't stay awake too long, okay? But I did try to, you know, catch up on my sleep. I gotta figure out a better schedule as far as like recording, specific days to edit, and then, you know, days to upload, so I can figure it out so I can get the rest that I need, so I can be 100% for work, you know. I miss Chili's. I haven't had Chili's in a minute. I do have videos recorded. I just haven't edited them. But I'll be back. I'll be back to, you know, doing what I do. Okay. That food's amazing. Well, I'm just really hungry. But Chili's is always good. There are 3 cases of coronavirus at my job. Y'all, it's getting crazy. And it's like, it has to be the employees, you know, like bringing it in. The residents who live in the home can't go outside. They can't go anywhere. Well, they can like go outside, sit like on the patio or whatnot. But they can't like go out to places and field trips and different things that they do normally. They can't go to work. Like some of them work like around campus. They haven't been able to do any of that. So it has to be the employees coming in the home, you know, who knows what they do when they're not at work. or who they're around or where they go. But we have 3 cases. This is mango habanero. I've never had these. I always had the honey chipotle ones. So I'm curious. I'm gonna just go up my hand. And I was hoping it tastes like the Wingstop mango habanero. It's pretty close. That's pretty good. I don't even know how many cases we have in my county. It's just been hard to like keep up, honestly. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is chocolate syrup for my oh, Chili showed out. You hear me? They came through what they came through, didn't they? That is awesome. What you made it. I can eat 2 things of salsa. I found a new hobby. DIY. Which I just realized. Yeah, DIY, like some of the things you're DIYing would be expensive if you just bought it, like, you know what I mean? But girl. DIY adds up, okay? DIY can get expensive too, okay? And it is. All right, y'all. Trying to save some room for my dessert. So I warmed up the cookie. That's what it looks like. I came in with this ice cream. And then I warmed up the chocolate syrup. Oh. Oh. There's so many people out. Do you hear me? There's people everywhere. Like you drop like I be headed to work and it'd be like a ton of cars in a row. And I'm like, I know everybody ain't going to work. So what is you doing? Alright, you guys, that is all for today's video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, see ya.